here with the journal, we've come up with our own little mini treaties. You know, we put our words in there, and our words are saying that, you know, we have to take everything into consideration, where the North is made up of indigenous knowledge, Western knowledge, indigenous ways of doing things, and Western ways of doing things, is that we're going to go into this ethical space, this strong like two people space, where we're going to start spreading the message, you know, the message to the both knowledges, so that we're making it for the first time an ability for indigenous people to have their voices heard here in the North, where it counts. And we don't have to rely on information coming further from the South, because there's no real relevance for it over here. And we have a lot to share. Masi, thank you.